Welcome to GalleryID, where we match the name to the face. This tutorial covers the MatchID page and where to find everything. Here's the MatchID page where you manage headshots for face recognition. On the left, the category sidebar organizes headshots by team and roster. Categories expand to show subcategories with display names. The status badges at the top show your indexing progress. Green means indexed and ready for matching. Yellow means pending. The toolbar gives you search, filters, and sort options. You can switch between grid sizes and select multiple cards. Below the toolbar, the drop zone is where you drag headshot photos to upload. The grid displays your headshot cards. Each card shows the player photo, name, jersey number, and indexing status. Stop tagging. Start delivering. Visit our tutorial library at GalleryID to learn more.